Hey, Steve Szara here from Szara Dental Lab. This week is going to be a little bit different. I'm actually putting out a challenge to all my wire bending friends out there. That's right, a challenge. Well, out of complete boredom, I actually counted how many times it takes me to make a bend to make a Hawley retainer labial bow. That's right, believe it or not, I actually did it. This week it took me between 45 and 55 precision bends to make a labial bow. Now granted, if I wanted to, I'm pretty sure I could make one in under 20, but it wouldn't be a good one. I'm talking about precision. Okay, I challenge you. So leave a comment below. Let me know how many times it took you to make a labial bow. Take an average, okay? Now, I remember every Tuesday, 12 noon, I got a new video coming out. So if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, make sure you share this video. We'll see you soon. We'll see you next week. Happy bending. Get busy and count those bends. Ready, set, go.